People want to ask a question. Some of them, I mean. You are permitted, please. Wa alaikum warahmatullah. Right.
What is the multicultural society according to Islam? In Australia, the society has been discussed so much.
I don't follow.
Some origin feel unjust to be.
Excuse me, would you kindly speak more clearly? Because of some trouble in the system of communication, I couldn't follow you correctly. Speak slowly and clearly.
What is multicultural society according to Islam?
What is?
What is multicultural society?
Multicultural, I understand now. Now I've got it. What is multicultural society?
According to Islam.
According to Islam, right.
In Australia, multicultural society has been discussed so much. Some of origin feel unjust to be included in the multicultural society,
yes,
being the first inhabitants in Australia,
right,
and to be treated the same with the new immigrants.
Right.
This attitude also adopted by some white people.
Right.
So any such concept in Islam?
I know what you're talking about. I have been confronted with this question in Europe repeatedly on different forums. And I spoke on this subject also during my address to Lajnہ in one of their sessions only a month or two ago. There I made clear distinction between culture and cultural values and religion and religious values, as long as they do not clash with each other. There is no problem. Any man following a religion can adopt any culture as long as it does not stand at odds with the religion. But whenever there is a confrontation, then that part of the culture must be rejected by the Muslims. There the Muslims will have a counterpart as their cultural value. The culture is a very difficult word to explain because from people to people, country to country, cultural habits and customs change. Anything which is not contrary to a religious teaching can be accepted and adopted, and there is absolutely no harm in doing that. But whenever religious values are attacked and are rejected or attempted to be changed and modified, there of course a Muslim would not take a step further in that direction, stop there and say, lakum dinukum waliya din. In that regard, to you belongs your faith and to me belongs my faith. Now this is a short answer, but if you want longer explanations and illustrations as to where the cultural values may differ and what a Muslim should do, you better have access to those cassettes, and inshallah I hope your query will be satisfied.
Assalamu alaikum.